Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change name on Instagram. And here's how it's done. First, open Instagram and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Under your profile picture, you'll see your current name. To edit, tap Edit Profile. Depending on your settings, if your Instagram and Facebook accounts are synced through the Account Center, you might be prompted to log into Facebook to make changes. This can be inconvenient, but there's an easier way to handle it. Here's a better method. Tap the three-line menu at the top right corner of your profile. Select Settings and Activity. Then go to the Account Center at the top. Tap Profiles and select your profile for both Facebook and Instagram. Under the Name section, tap to edit your name. This will allow you to update your name across both platforms at once. Remember, if you change your name, you won't be able to modify it again for 60 days. Make sure the name you choose is one you are happy to stick with for that time. Avoid quick, temporary changes as they can be a hassle to undo. And that is everything you need to know about how to change name on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.